So once again, welcome to the renewable energy skill. This is our first meeting out of four meetings we're gonna have. This is just a orientation meeting, but for the following three that we're gonna have, they will be training. I will have three sections, online sections, to train and advise you regarding the test project. By the way, the test project, I'm finishing it this week. I will share with you next week by Wednesday. But today I will discuss with you the structure of the skill challenge test project and explain you step by step how it will be. Are you seeing my screen here?
Yes.
So here's are some objectives of our trainings. As I told you, we're going to have three sections that I will train you and guide you for you prepare your students for competition. Next meeting, I will show you the infrastructure theorization. I'll show you now the layout, but we don't have the material again yet. It's a new skill, so we raise the PR. They are purchasing the material. We're gonna. I think next week they will deliver it for me, and I will prepare and show you the training. Uh, you will receive the test project. As for all skills that we have, I will explain you the technical skills that we're expecting from the students. And after that, you have to manage the training. You have to keep training your students, your place. And anytime that you need to have some questions answered, you can go through the WhatsApp because our official communication channel will be the WhatsApp. Regarding the infrastructure, I already have the infrastructure list, but I didn't provide it to you yet because I'm waiting for the delivery because sometimes they can deliver different components I requested. Just finalize it before next Wednesday and we'll share with you. By the way, regarding the material, as this is a new skill, for sure, most probably all of you doesn't have the material at your campus. So I discussed with the management, and we're gonna provide one kit for each place that the skill challenge will happen. So I think out of seven Emirates, we will have the selection for renewable energy in five. So I will prepare five kits and I will send it to you for you prepare your student. The kit will be just for one part of the test. The test is divided in three parts. I'll show you the three parts that we have. This kit is just for wiring because we're going to use one specific didactic kit for solar energy. And I will train you when I receive it. I will show you in one of our sections. And I will provide for all of you during the the training. Again, I will prepare one for each place that will happen the selection, the skill challenge. For example, I don't know, we didn't receive this information yet, but let's say that in here, for example, in Abu Dhabi, the selection will be at Adipoli, Abu Dhabi Polytechnic campus in Mohammed bin Zayed. So I will provide for this campus one kit, and now the student can come and train using this kit for the selection. It will not be one for each school. It will be one per emirate. And in addition, as I told you, I will show you and I will train you. I will do the connections. I will do all the procedures in one meeting. I will record it and let it available for you see step by step of the standards that will be requested of the connections that you have to do regarding safety and so on. The training documents, I'm almost finishing the technical description. As it's a new skill, I have to create it from scratch using, by the way, the word skills will be now. And this is the second time that this skill will happen. It's new even in the WorldSkills International competition. The test project I will provide to you next week by Wednesday with the infrastructure list and technical description. All documents you receive it next week. Our official channels to communicate, as I told you, will be through the WhatsApp group. To be fair with all experts, I will just answer questions in the WhatsApp business group. I will not answer emails. I will not answer callings, just through the WhatsApp group. For everybody receive the same information. I don't have student. I will just conduct the process. So to be fair with everybody, all information that we have will be through WhatsApp group. And the announcements that I have to do, I will do through the email. I created on Outlook one group. Yesterday I was checking, but they advised us to create a group in Outlook and share the emails through that group. And on WhatsApp, answer all the questions that you have. So announcements will be through the Outlook by email and in the WhatsApp group, and answer questions will be through the WhatsApp group. Uh, the communication will be done for you and for the responsible for your school and the system. So your responsible will receive the announcement, will receive the emails with information for everybody, just to keep everybody with in the same point, with the same level of information, for not benefit anyone. Regarding our training schedule, so today is the first section. Uh, Today I changed the time because I had some meetings before this meeting here on campus, but next week we'll start from 10 to 11. If be necessary, I will inform you through email and WhatsApp group the new time. But I prefer to do it every Friday from 10 to 11, 10:30 to 11 to 11:30. I think this time will be good for everyone. And again, as the meeting is being recorded, you can check it later. We'll have three sections. I will explain step by step of the three parts of the test project in each section. So we have uh, here our test project. Yes, our test project will be done during the skill competition in 4 hours. As I told you, three parts. The first part, it's an electrical wiring diagram. The second part is the electrical installation itself. The competitors, they will not be requested to do the structure. They don't have to cut, to fix any component. They will just be requested to make the wiring. That's it. And the third part is the project. The first part, the electrical diagram, in our next training, I'll show you the standards that we expect. I will do the diagram with you online, and I will save it for you recheck it later. You see that we're not going to use many components. Basically, we're going to use a photovoltaic panel, a DC panel for we use the protection in the DC side, a regulator, the battery, a power inverter. We have the AC panel for AC protection, and one socket outlet. The purpose is just to see if the student they can manage and understand how solar system generation works. That's it. Here I put just to guide you one schematic picture there just to show you how the connections should be done. Of course, this is a random model. I will show you the specific one that we're gonna use in the competition. But again, I have to wait they deliver the item. It's expected for next week, but we have to wait. Regarding all questions that you have for administration, or training and infrastructure, and student affairs, you can check with Mohamed Awali, that's our manager, our head of the Merit Skills. For training infrastructure, you can check with Luis. He's the training coordinator. And for student affairs, you can check with Hamdan. He is the responsible. He's our team leader. That's it for today. Just welcome and explain you how it will be. You can see that something here looks like electrical installation skill, actually just the wiring and diagram. It's a little bit different because electrical installation, you have to cut, you have to drill, you have to fix the components. Here, in renewable energy, the purpose is to learn, is to understand and apply how to create, how to connect the system for solar energy at this time. By the way, you can see that the infrastructure, we have 120 centimeters per 50 centimeters. This will be a MDF, it will be wood, and I will fix the components in the wood. So during the skill challenge, I will bring to the local of the competition this done. And the competitors, they just have to do the connections. First, they will create the wire diagram. Second, they will connect and test. And third, they will do a project. The project is not related to the first and second test. The project will be given for the competitors one case, and the student, they have to mention, they have to calculate and define some items for a solar system, like quantity of solar panels, power of the solar panels, model. I will provide to them a data sheet. I will provide it to as well in next week with the test project. So they have basically to project a solar system through some information that they will get that I will provide to them. Again, I will give you training step by step. Our 3 meetings will be dedicated for each one of these tasks. I will do it with you. I will show you the standards that I'm expecting from the student. And then you have to keep training your student in your place for the competition that will happen according to the schedule. I hope that you have received. If you didn't receive, I'm sure that your line manager received it with the dates that the skill challenge will happen in each emirate. That's it. Now, if you have any question, please let me know, and I will try to answer as best as possible. Maybe I will not have the answer now, but I will make notes, and as soon as I receive the answer, I will provide you on WhatsApp.
Okay, Mr. William, this is Mohammed Badwan. I joined 7 minutes late because the link was not working, probably. So
Mhm.
my question is regarding the component here. You will send it to our campus, or what exactly will happen?
Regarding the component, as this is a new skill, most probably you will not have it. I mean, the solar kit with solar panel, controller, power inverter, and battery.
Yeah,
I
we don't
requested,
have.
yeah. I requested, and they will buy one kit per each emirate that will have the competition. So I don't know how they will deliver it now, but what I requested was I will receive the material. I will prepare the kit. I will assemble it for you, and then they will deliver for the place that the selection will happen. And then you'll be able to train your student in local.
So for now, approximately when we receive this component?
Yeah, I don't know the place. I have to check it with Louis because
No, no, that the time, Mr. Williams, that
the
time.
time. To be honest, I'm expecting to receive the material next week. They asked me until Friday to give me this material, and then I will assemble it and send it to you.
So maybe in the week after that we will receive.
Yes.
Okay, 2 weeks from now. So right now,
Yes.
what we can do with the student for this period
For
for two
yeah,
weeks?
for the student now, what I advise you, it's my opinion, okay? Each one can conduct the training as you wish, but in my opinion now, you should ask the student to search about solar system. What is a charger controller? What is a power inverter? What is a solar panel? How to connect them? the most important data that we can get from this material, for example, for solar panel, what's important? The voltage, the power. For the power inverter, power, input voltage, output voltage. And when they understand better how the solar system works, they start training, studying and training how to create project using this device, calculating how many solar panels they need to use for some specific situation. Uh, Basically, they have, because the structure, the wiring, sorry, the wiring will be just one part of the task. But the diagram and the project, they have to draw, they have to calculate, and this can be done without material. So for now, starting with the diagram and project.
So the diagram and the wiring, you mean, not the project.
Yeah,
The wiring diagram and wiring installation.
the wiring installation you cannot do now because you don't have the material.
Yes, yes. Sorry, the wiring diagram, how
Yeah,
they can connect, how can they select. So these calculation should be done by the student. I mean, how many
yes,
cells,
yes,
whether it's a series or a parallel, all these stuff, the
yes,
type of the inverter, should be done by the student.
yes.
Okay. Can you share with
Okay.
us any material
Yeah, I
regarding?
have some here. I have some data sheets here I can share with you. I'll send it in our WhatsApp group. I'll share with you through there.
Okay. One more question, Mr. Millians, if I can now
Sure.
regarding the number of students that we can train for each campus. Now, Ajman, we are training boys. We have boys and girls who would like to participate. So, how many students should we train to skill challenge?
Yeah, for regarding the number of students, you have to check with Handam because he is the responsible for the number of students, where the competition will take place. I think, I hope that he already sent it to for your line manager because all schools already receive it in August. How many students will be per selection, per emirate? For example, I know that here in Abu Dhabi will be at Adipoli, and we are expecting 6 students. Two are from Adipoli. The others, I think it's from ATS, Mohammed bin Zayed. I have to check, but we already have this information. I don't have it fully, but Hamdam has this information. Most probably our line manager already have this information too.
Okay, Mr. Razak.
Okay.
Question,
Someone.
please.
Yes.
Are the students expected to build a prototype that works on the solar panels, using the solar panels, or only the connections and the calculations of the model
They will connect this one and test it.
and
We're
test
gonna,
it
yeah, we're gonna make some measurement with the regarding the voltage, especially in the output in our
without
socket
an
outlet.
actual prototype that works on the solar energy?
Yeah. They will assemble it. They will connect the wires, and we will test if they connected well, if we have the right voltage in the output.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
Good
Someone.
morning, Mr. William.
Good morning.
I have just joined. Here is Hala from Dubai campus. Now, I'm just asking about the detailed test project. It will be shared today, right?
No, the test project I will share with you on Wednesday
On
because
Wednesday.
I'm waiting for the delivery company to confirm the item I requested. Otherwise, I will have to make some changes. So
Okay.
they promised to me that until Wednesday they will give me this information.
Yeah, but for your information, all of these components, it was like a requirement for one of the courses for last year, the project development.
Oh, good.
So it is supposed to have some of these components in the campuses. I'm not about sure about all campuses, but it is supposed to be. So I have some of the components. So please, if you can share the test project as soon as possible, it would be appreciated, yeah, Mr. William.
Okay. You can use, I will share this presentation with you and this meeting. You can use this schematic that we have, that I'm sharing to you as base, because we're going to use something like this.
Perfect. And the students are gonna design using any of the application, like what software they will use it to draw the schematic, or it's not required from their from the test project.
Yeah, actually, it will be on paper. I will ask them to do it on paper. Just a ruler, a calculator, and a
Mhm.
pencil. It's enough.
Okay,
I
just
will try to make it as
simple as possible, right?
yes. I'll try to let the student work relaxed, or they don't feel, sometimes, especially students, they
Yeah.
feel afraid of something and they get stuck. I will try to let the best environment for them relax and be able to show how they do, what they know in this way.
Perfect. It seems good. And what about the renewable energy? So the renewable energy, just they will focus on the solar panels. No other kind of renewable energy will be used, right? Only
Perfect.
this.
Yes. For skill challenge will be just solar. For the Emirates skills it will change, but it's another conversation.
Oh,
For skill challenge will be just for solar.
okay, that's great.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
You're
Mr.
welcome.
Have a good day. Thanks.
Such
You
as
too.
what, William, for emerald skills? What else? Maybe wind, maybe wave.
Yeah. We have to wait the word skills this year because, as I told you, this is the second time that this competition will happen, the World Skills International. And I've heard from the experts from other countries that the test project this year will be way different than from the first time it happened. So I will wait them to select this edition happens and then I'll start preparing. The first edition, it was for solar and wind technology.
Mm.
But
The wind also the wind the student only need to focus on the electrical part, correct? How to connect the wind
yes.
turbine, not
Maintenance,
equipment,
connection, and project.
all installation.
Yes. But for skill challenge, just solar.
Good morning, William. This
Good
is
morning.
Fida. I just want to ask, is there going to be like a drilling part or
Mm,
only connection?
Only
And are they
connection.
going to use, they're not going to use the drill?
No.
No,
The
يعني
skill
no drilling.
challenge, it will not be necessary.
For the emerald skills, maybe they will use. Because I
Yeah,
can
for
see here, there is
sure.
a trunking here.
Yes.
They're not going to install it, like only connection.
Yeah, only connection. How I will do it? When I receive the material for the skill challenge, I will prepare this station that you are seeing in the layout. When I go to the competition, I will bring it done with me, and the student will just make the connections.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Because the purpose of renewable energy is a little bit different than electrical installation. Here, it's important to know the connection, especially for the skill competition. But the most important thing is understand how a solar system works, how to project it, how to create the diagram, and make the wiring. That's why for a skill challenge, I will not request them to make any part of the structure. However, in the Merit skills, they will have to do it. Someone have question? Just confirm to me, all of you are receiving the invitations on WhatsApp group, right? By email and WhatsApp.
Yes.
Yeah, because we are still receiving people to being added in our WhatsApp group and in the email. So just to make sure that everybody is receiving the information in the same way.
William, by saying electrical wiring diagram, you're talking about reading the diagram and connect it, right?
No, they have to
Or
draw the
drawing,
diagram.
drawing the diagram.
Yeah.
You have to draw the diagram. Okay.
Yes. But don't worry, we're gonna have a meeting where I show you the standards I'm expecting from them, step by step.
Okay, that's clear.
Good.
Mr. William, I have one more question about
Yeah, sure.
during the competition of the Emirates skills itself. The students will do it in groups, like pairs or individual competition?
No. Renewable energy is an individual competition.
Individual one. Okay.
Yes.
And the maximum number of participants for the skills challenge, 4. We just need to select 4 students.
Where did you get this number? Did you receive the
Yeah,
confirmation?
an
Okay.
Excel sheet, yeah.
Okay, good.
But we can
Because
train
for
more
each
than 4,
campus is
right?
different.
Yeah. Each
Yes,
campus
but
is
they can
different.
Yeah. But for the skill challenge, only 4 will participate.
Okay.
I'll give you the example for him. For example, here at the Poly, I know that some people they are training 5 students and they will select just 2 because they have just 2 spots for the skill challenge. So they will train 5 until the skill challenge. They will select 2 and 2 will represent the Poly in the skill challenge.
So for our schools will be 1 spot per each campus, or you will have like a criteria for minimum score and
No,
select?
yeah.
Oh.
The criteria, it will depend on the number I will have for the Emirate skills. I request because we didn't receive official because we depend on the venue location to
Okay.
understand the space we have available there.
Yeah.
I requested for we have between 6 and 8 competitors in the Emirate skills competition.
Okay.
It seems that I think we have 5 Emirates that are participating in the skill challenge. It means that we'll have at least 1 per Emirate and plus 2 or 3 spots. But it's not official information. I have to check it. Again, I have to wait. They confirm how many spots I will have for the competition.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Good. It's good you come with questions because to create a good environment and fair for everybody, it's important you participate. You don't leave the meetings, even the WhatsApp group with doubts. I'm here to guide you, and as soon as I receive the information, I will share with you.
Okay, Williams, I checked the email. I found out that Ajman, for
Mhm.
example, we have 4 students from our campus, boys and
Okay.
girls, and 2 from university. So what should we do? What should we prepare for to have you?
Yeah, if your
What kind of
campus,
what is it?
for your campus, you told that's written there, you will
Yeah,
provide for
yeah.
a student.
Or student from our campus, and we are expecting 2 from the university. So
Okay.
what kind of facility you need once you come to Skill Challenge?
For the skill challenge, I think
And
they
for
are
the training, of course, for the training
okay
for
for the
skills.
training. For the
Yeah.
training, it will depend on your space available there because if you have 4 competitors, it doesn't mean that you have to train 4 competitors at the same time. So you can manage it. As I told you before, if you wish to train more competitors and select 4 to participate in the skill challenge, it's fair enough. If it's good for you, for me, there's no problem. But the point is, again, just 1 solar kit will be sent. So you have to manage how to conduct the training for the students there.
What about the day of the skill challenge? Are you going to bring the materials to test the students or for the competitors, or the campus should prepare?
I'll bring it.
Okay.
I will have because for each section, I will have 6 competitors. So I will bring 6 kits like this one I'm sharing with you in this layout. I will bring it with me, and then I will place them, and then the student do the skill challenge.
Okay.
Okay. In addition, I will provide one for each campus to prepare for the skill challenge.
Okay, one more question, William. I know I had many questions, but
Yeah.
now
This is
once you did the skill challenge, how many students you will get from each campus, or it's according to their marks, total marks?
yeah. As I explained, it depends on how many spots we will have in Emirates Hills. because they didn't inform us the available area we have in the Emirate Skills.
Yeah, I know
So
that, but let's say that you have, for example, 10 places. Uh, the selection process here from the all campus and university depend on the score, student score, or each campus should be, you have to select the best student from each campus.
yeah, I have to check this information with our manager, because for each skill is different. As ours is the first step that will happen, they don't have a rule for it. What I ask them for we do, but it's not it was not approved yet and it's not official. We'll have at least the winner of each emirate will go directly to the emirate skills, and then for the others we'll check the grade. The highest grade, for example, we have 8 spots in the emirate skills. We're gonna do the selection in 5 emirates. So the winner of each emirate plus the highest 3 marks we have in the final section for the 5 emirates. But again, it's not official. I just propose it to them. I'm waiting for them to approve it and say, okay, this is a good way to do it. You can share officially this email with the experts and with the line manager.
Okay, clear, William, clear.
Good, good, good. Here in chat. Good. More questions? If okay, I understand a lot of information now. It's hard to think in everything, but if you have further information, you can send on the WhatsApp group, and as soon as possible, I'll answer you and explain you. And look for the answer. As I told you, I don't have all of them, but I'll go and look for the answer and share it with you.
Okay. Thanks a lot, William. Thanks a lot for all the information.
Thank you very much. So
Thank you, Mr. William.
thank you very much. If you don't have more questions, we can finish now. I will share with you once the link for this meeting be available on OneDrive. I'll share the link with you. And by Wednesday next week, I'll share with you the test project. The test project, the infrastructure list, and the technical description for renewable energy. All the documents we need for the training, for the competition.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Okay? Thank you very much for be available and share your expectation, make questions. Let's work together to train our student, engage them in the process for we have a nice and fair competition for everybody. Have a nice weekend. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.